My people, how on a day? Welcome to today's gist. Today tori na about Benue State Governor wey insult our President Muhammadu Buhari with him full chest. In fact, this man no fear talk this thing. Governor Ortom dey describe Buhari administration as the worst ever. Say when it comes to security reason for inside this Nigeria, say Buhari don spoil everything. For me, no be only security. In fact, everything joined together no good for this Buhari tenure. And this man dey claim say e be like say Buhari wan fulanise this English big for my mouth. That one mean say he wan turn everybody to Boko Haram and turn everybody to Hausa. And say because of this one, he don dey suspect our president. Say as e be, this man get hidden agenda. My people abeg, make una follow me watch.
But because I think Mr. President is pushing me to think that what they say about him, that he has a hidden agenda in this country, it is true, because it is very clear that he wants to Fulanize. But he is not the first person who was Fulani president. Shagari was Fulani president. Yaradua was Fulani president. They were the best president in the history. But President Buhari is the worst president when it comes to issues of security and keeping his promises. Go back and check in 2015. What did he say? Human rights issues. He talked about press freedom. He talked about the economy. He talked about corruption. He talked about security. Tell me one thing that Mr. President have achieved. He has achieved some level of development in other sectors. But truly, these prominent things that is a concern to Nigerians, and we're all worried. Tell me where Mr. President have come out to address this matter. Is this corruption? We are worse in the history of this country.
In fact, I really love this man courage. Say this man get the mind and morale to come outside talk about Buhari like he no even fear. But I hope say sooner or later we no go hear say they don't arrest you. Abi you don't die, because we know say if anybody talk bad about any big person, before you go see, they don't they plan to risk your life. They don't they plan to kill you. Abi they don't send lawyer to you say they won't carry you enter inside jail. But make we know like everything where this man talking now pure truth. All the things where Buhari don't promise, so in fact, one in overdo. And he talk say Buhari gets mission for this night. And that one are true. Because how you go to plan Fulanize everybody inside Nigeria? Why you know say we get different tribes? And we know say for this Nigeria, mostly now the north, they mostly misbehave. Why be saying I won't carry the bad egg now, won't join everybody? And say by force, by fire, all of us go be one. And say make we reason everything where Buhari promised us from 2015, plus security, plus corruption, when he saying goes off, say one in overdo. And if we reason this everything a big truth, this man no lie. But all of us just they watch our president now, because now he be president, nobody will do anything about him. But I beg I won't come ask. Say no way for us to comot this man from this place, because if person where they even work this with this man, governor, a whole governor they complain say this man no they work. It means say this person a bad leader. And because of this one, everybody supposed to know say this man no be better person for here. And this man self they claim say the style where this man want you stay do open grazing for these Fulani people. Say if he try and everything go worse too. And now they reason them. They never even open places for Fulani people. So maybe they carry their things pass. They do already they carry cow, they carry and pass everybody compound. If they can't put laws, okay, maybe they move anyhow. It means that Nigeria goes scatter. It means that cow go they even follow person they live inside house. But this man now they talk and say, may Buhari not make this kind of decision. And say them as governors, make him give them small rights. Maybe they get rule over their land administration and not say this man self, if not be say yourself one thief. Now what you make yourself talk this one because you don't notice here? If they carry all the yolo give on herself go feed decide on land when I go sell. But anyway, this one's not be like as it be said now they govern this land. Make at least small authority stay on a hand. But if anything go happen last, may they carry and go the big people place. May they review and first before they will accept this thing. But anyway, I hope say this one when you talk, you know go land you inside trouble. But if you land you inside trouble, self on be the same thing. And I go settle them politically. Anyway, my people, I hear this story as make I bring and come. Make na service na ear. Here what it happen. If you get anything to talk about them, make na write them inside the comment section. Make na stay tuned for the next video.